Mine is something hard. Go! Isa pa, isa pa. Something hard pa rin to. Go, 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 go!
Something soft.
Hoy, hindi ka na go!
Okay na yun.
Ba't ako tumalikod? Okay, yung sa akin, something sweet. Matayabetic kayo dito. Enjoy! Wait lang, wala pong go! 1, 2, 3, go! Mine is something that can be put in your mouth. Sige, bibigay pa ako ng context. Since maraming nagkakape sa atin, except Pia, this is very, very relevant. Ready? Wait lang, nalagay ko muna. Go! 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 Dalawa yung laman, so dapat mag-share. Pakita niyo ba ako? Pakita!
Something salty, but so on 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, setup ko lang nga kasi baka gumulong eh. Naguguluhan ako for context sa category ko kasi pumili ako ng setup. Yung isa, something you can put in your mouth din. Pero, may duplicate pala. Pero yung isa kasi, di ko na maalala. Yun din yung problem ko. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ano mo pa rin dapat sa akin?
Candy.
Quiet, quiet. Okay, yung sa akin, something flavorful. 1, 2, 3, go! Settle down, children. Settle down. Guys, 2 batches to So, dalawang beses ko sisigaw. So, mine is, ang category ko is something sour. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Kasi, sour cream! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, tahimik ang lahat. So guys, I never learned her. Ay something wet, nakakawet, at pangpuwet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Pakita! Hoy, paano pangpuwet yung Lysol? Paano